Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at a comma rule. This rule outlines how writers can use commas in dates. All right, so there are two different places where writers can use this. One is that you're going to use a comma to separate the day of the week from the month and day. So you're going to separate the day of the week from the month and day with a comma. And then the second rule is that you're going to separate the day and year with a comma. Okay, you're going to separate the day and year. Let's take a look at some examples. The examples make it all so much easier to understand. We're leaving for our trip on Wednesday, June 2nd. And you'll see over here we've got the comma in between Wednesday and June 2nd. So it's in between the day of the week and the month and day. Now let's take a look at this next example. If you start your new job on Tuesday, January 12th, can you be at our house for a visit on Saturday, January 16th? Now this is that same rule of where we're using a comma to separate the day of the week and the month with the date. Okay? Let's look at some more examples here. The play opens on Friday, April 23rd, 2019. Now here we've got two commas. The first one separates the day of the week from the month and date. And then we have the second comma that's separating the date from the year. Okay? So we've got that date out of the month, the numbered date out of the month, using a comma there to separate it from the year. Okay, next example. Her flight gets in at 5 p.m. on Saturday, September 22nd, 2021, and she is only staying for 2 days. So we're using both rules here, a comma in between the day of the week with the month and date. And then we have a second comma that's in between the date in the month, the numbered date in the month, and the year. Okay? All right, last example. This year our anniversary lands on a Saturday, but we will have to celebrate on Friday, August 29th, 2022 instead. So here we've got a comma in between day of the week and the month with the date of the month. And then we've got a comma here in between day of the month with the year. All right, so two comma rules there around how to use your commas in dates. I hope that information is helpful to you, and good luck with your writing.